That's her tagline. Hey boo,
Hey,
at
boo,
this point, y'all.
hey. Cheers.
Like a good little breeze and the sun is shining. Sign me up. Sign me up, okay? Have you ever looked at your budget and just got really frustrated? Have you ever felt like all you do is pay bills, buy gas and groceries, and you can never have any downtime for yourself? You can never do anything for yourself. It's always just the budgeting, the budgeting. Well, I'm here to tell you as I get ready for my day that it is possible to do things. And sometimes, and this is coming from someone who has a $2.86 buffer for this month, okay? It's not a lot. And so what I do is I save over time and do little things once a month for myself so I don't feel frustrated and deprived. Today I'm getting ready to go to a coffee shop with my friend Zelisa. And honestly, it's become one of the things that I find very joyful. This time, it's going to cost me a little bit more money, but I had some money saved away. But there are other things to do that I've done recently as I'm on my journey to find joy that didn't cost me anything. I just went to a park free with a book that I already had to read free, the water out of my bottle, put my feet in some grass, sat down and read, scared away a few squirrels, but it can be done. Just think about little ways that you can romanticize your life. I promise you, it doesn't always have to be about restrictive budgeting. Make time for family, make time for fun, make time for yourself. I hope you enjoy this video as I go and make time for me.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my soul goal in this life, but there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't
Hello, everyone. Guess who I'm here with? Say hey, Zelisa.
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
Hey, boo, hey.
That's her tagline. Hey, boo,
Hey,
at
boo,
this point, y'all.
hey. Cheers.
You know, she got to start with her day with her Celsius,
And
hunty.
I'm going to get me a matcha. She about to
I
be
might actually
caffeinated.
try that. I think it tastes like dirt the last time I tried it.
Yeah, it's not so great.
So
What about a strawberry
I just never, I don't want anything. Not a strawberry dirt. No,
That might be better.
Okay. I don't know.
Go.
Okay, she's kicked me off. Anyway, this is the sisterhood of the traveling coffee shop at this point, because the goal here is to like find all the nice coffee shops in the area or close by enough to where Celisa doesn't mind driving, because y'all already know that I am not the highway driver. However, I'm not sure we're going to be able to top that other one, because the other one we went to last time, Daydreamer, I believe it was so beautiful. The vibe, well, it was very much my vibes and aesthetics, plants and neutrals, and it was just nice. So this place, though, I think we're really hitting it up for the food purposes. And they look like on their, I think she found it on TikTok that they had all these different like breakfast options and things. And y'all know I'm really not a breakfast lady. However, for an experience. We're finna do it. But I want to talk about how important it is to budget these things. Budgeting always seems so serious, and you have to pay the bills, and you have to pay your expenses and your variables. But you need to make time for fun, or else budgeting will create burnout for you. My friend Celisa over here, actually in her recent video, just mentioned that budgeting is self-care. And I said, oh my God, that's so well put. Budgeting is self-care. It is about taking care of you, your money, and telling it what to do. And if what it wants to do is a coffee shop or getting nails done or your hair done, if you can budget it in and it's important to you,
Do it.
Yeah, exactly what I was going to say. Do it. Given a chance, we'd have probably did it in unison again. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you a little later. We're at the coffee shop.
Watching me when we're with our friends, it's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. But don't let it grow. I think it's time we stop tipping on your toes.
Oh, per hour? Okay, good. That's not too bad. But like, I thought they said $3.50 for 30 minutes.
You gotta pay.
I thought I saw $3.50 for 30 minutes.
Oh, maybe it was 30
Excuse me?
Maybe it was.
Oh, okay.
Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. No.
Ooh, we might have to get some cookies. Some milk and cookies.
It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know
And that- it's doing something. I'm gonna need you not.
I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it.
Y'all, we haven't even gotten here yet, and the place looks packed. And it's early. Well, maybe it's not. It's not even 10 yet. But Lisa says we're right across from the town hospital, and the Google building is right there. So I guess.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul. But babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies.
I would like to taste it because every time I think it's gonna taste like grass. Yes, and every time I don't get one because of that very reason.
I'll shine.
Y'all.
Want a straw?
Y'all. No, it's fine.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like watered down
Wait.
milk tea. I don't understand why y'all think that's good. Still,
Do you drink boba though? Because boba's like this. Like
yeah,
it has boba pearls in it.
no. It's a no for me, dog. It's a no. Mm-mm. She don't like it. She don't like it. Mm-mm. Okay, so Lisa is jamming, okay? Every time we go somewhere, she's over there jamming. It's nothing new, y'all. This is what we're working with. Attention over here. Because we're going to look at the Capital One account. And let me zoom y'all in here real quick. Let's see. We have $60 in our date night fund. And we're going to need it, honey, because this place is expensive. Okay? It's like $17, $20 for breakfast. Homegirl done bought. Wait a minute, let me let her tell you. She's too busy singing again. Here we go.
I love Miguel. Anyway, okay.
Okay, so
the
please explain
breakfast-
to the folks how
Am I
much
supposed
this
to continue
costs.
this thing? So anyway, so breakfast is expensive here, but we're downtown. You know, parking's expensive downtown, breakfast is expensive downtown, matchas are expensive downtown. If you want the downtown vibes, not the small city vibe, you gotta pay for it. And we deserve it. Look at her face. And we, raise it up. Thank you. And we deserve it.
Amen.
Okay.
Amen.
So we're gonna enjoy our breakfast.
Yes, we
Mine's
are.
coming in just a minute.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
Hi. I would like the breakfast sandwich.
Which one? We have so many.
Oh girl, I'm up here with no card. Please hold. Thank you.
Enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
Those are cookies? They look like muffins.
They're stuffed cookies. There's something else inside of them.
I didn't know it came with a salad. The other thing is I normally don't like runny eggs, but I'm gonna give it a try, y'all. Y'all pray for my stomach.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
So we have this cookie ad I got, which I didn't need to get y'all because it was like almost $8. I'll show y'all the receipt in a minute. But it is a very big cookie. It's Oreos, cookies, and cream. And look at it. And there's another little piece that fell off. Because baby, I was like, give me all of my cookie for that price. But look in there. This one is the cookies and cream. They have a lot. I think I have a shot of what the sign looks like, but I'm too full to eat that right now. But I'm excited. I'll let you guys know if it was delicious. Now let me get back to work. Hey guys, sorry that this is not the best angle. It's probably not the best light, but baby, we're not out here trying to be burnt up. We're in the shade, and when I tell you, look at my hair. It can show, you can see it. You can see the good little breeze we're getting over here in this corner. But I did want to talk to you about the money of this whole thing, because first let's talk about the experience. So I think it's good to be able to go out and try to be productive somewhere else sometimes. We get so stuck in our ruts and in our homes. If you work from home, I get one work from home day, and I'm always home and I'm doing laundry or I'm doing all the things that go along with working. And sometimes I just need to chill out. And so me and Salisa have been doing our Sisterhood of the Traveling Coffee Shop thing and just going around trying different coffee shops. So the last one I shared with y'all, I'll link that video above, was really nice, really calm, really cooked, very aesthetic and big. So you had like different comfort zones where you could find your little space and co-work in peace. This one is very aesthetic as well, very cute, but not as big. So it's very hard. Oh, and loud. but it's very hard to find your little piece of corner in there. But the music is good and you can find a spot. I did, and Salisa did, and we went our separate ways, and she did her thing and I did my thing, but we got things done. But with all that being said, we're always on a budget. As y'all can see in the beginning, I had $60 in my account for my date night, solo night, or things that I want to do for myself. And let's talk about the money. So this is how much I actually end up spending. This place is a little bit pricier for sure. Considering at the last place, I only spent about $11 some change. Let's call it $12. This place was up there. We're a little high scale, but that's probably because it's in the heart of downtown and it's right under right near the Google building. They can afford to charge these prices. So we're at 4-5 Coffee Roasters in Atlanta, and I bought a breakfast sandwich, and that cost me $21.46. It's a beautifully curated, yummy sandwich, and I am full, so there's that. Only thing I would change is they put lettuce. I would have chosen like spinach, arugula, something else, but outside, or maybe shredded lettuce, but it was still good. And then there was $7.08 for a massive cookie. So we're looking at about $29. So about $30. For me, was it worth it? Yes and no. The experience was nice. The food was very good, but I feel like I still could have had the same experience at the other shop, paying a little less. However, not getting this quality of food. At the other place, it was more like pastries and donuts, so you know it's give and take depending on what you want. But the other place is definitely more my vibe. But you can find something in your budget. I'm just mentioning the other place because you can find something where you could have just spent $15. Last time I spent 11 something and bought a black coffee and 2 different croissants. If I'd only gotten 1 croissant and like a fancy coffee, I probably would have spent the same. But that's what the money is looking like for today. It was a productive day, even though I had a few hiccups. Another thing I want to mention is if you're going to go to a coffee shop, maybe consider having your own hotspot, secure hotspot, because I had some issues with connectivity at this particular coffee shop, but I did not have it at the other place at all. And I feel like there was more people in that other coffee shop than here, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But maybe consider, because if your job gives you an allowance, maybe consider getting a secure hotspot to bring with you. It is such a beautiful day. Every time I turn this camera on, you see the fro is just blowing in the wind. It's a beautiful day, and I have just decided to take a little break. If you hear something in the back, Salisa Boo over there is editing and coughing up her life, clearly. But I was just taking a break to enjoy nature. We're like in the best little spot right now where the breeze is blowing, we're in the shade. See the clouds just moving by. It's just the little things. However, my anxiety, every time I look up there like that, I feel like such a little tiny ant. And it kind of freaks me out a little bit. I get a dread, but I love it. Look how pretty. It's like the best day. I love a day when you can sit in the shade, enjoy the heat, but not hot Atlanta heat, but like a good little breeze and the sun is shining. Sign me up. Sign me up, okay? I just have y'all sit with me for a little bit. I'm gonna continue to sit. But even if you don't spend money on like a full-on coffee shop, find you somewhere nice to sit in the shade and take in the nature. Take in the nature. Put your feet in the grass. Ground yourself for a little bit. It makes a difference. Let me get back to enjoying my vibe. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening. I hope you consider doing a productive day. Let me know, would you budget in a couple dollars, $10 to $30 for an experience to switch up your life now and again? And let me know in the comments. Alright, love you, mean it. Bye!